Hi everyone, I just want to share my experience of studying here at RupIELTS for the last 1 month. To begin with, I was doing pretty mediocre stuff in terms of my IELTS. I was getting my bands somewhere in between 6 or 6.5 in all the respective modules. But in last 1 month, the tips which I received from Rupinder ma'am, they were quite helpful. Both in listening and reading, now I'm scoring almost 8.5 or 9 bands, which is a considerable improvement to what I was doing a month ago. And in terms of writing, which I think is the most crucial aspect of IELTS, in which most of the students struggle, the kind of tips which I received and the kind of topics that I was pursuing within this one course, I think they were quite helpful. I think I have considerably improved in my writing skills too. I am getting somewhere in between 7 or 7.5, which I initially aimed for. And now talking about speaking, I think speaking was something that I was always good at. I just brushed up my skills by giving interviews at the end of every coaching session. I think I'm completely ready for all 4 modules, which will be part of my examination. All in all, I think it has been a great experience of studying here at RupIELTS. I recommend everybody to take admission as early as you can. If you are aiming for high bands, or if you are aiming for immigration, for education, or for any purpose, I give 10 out of 10 as far as my experience is concerned. Thank you.